play you guys a short video showing how we make refried beans out of our canned pinto beans. So these are some that we did last year using our 4 jars canned lids that have stood the test of time. Of course, they're 4 jars. Look at how amazing these look. Perfect, perfect. Okay, let's get started. So I went ahead and I'm using a cast iron pan and I sprayed a little bit of butter spray in here. I'm going to add some butter to it for our fat. We're going to add some butter, turn on the gas, and put it on medium and wait for this to melt really well. Open our can and start smashing some beans. These are so delicious, you guys. If you've never made your own refried beans, you have to do this. From fresh beans to canned beans to refried beans, oh my gosh, you'll never go back to regular canned refried beans again. Never. So if you have never canned pinto beans or any other kind of beans before, don't worry, because as part of my Jumpstart January series, part of my Canuary Jarred Up series, I am going to be showing you how to can beans, which is one of the easiest things you will ever do for canning. And as a beginner, if you're a beginner canner, it is one of the easiest things you want to start with. So simple. You do need a pressure canner, but it's so simple, you guys. And if you're doing meat in a canner, best thing to make a full canner with is some beans. Yep, super, super easy. So stay tuned for that video. I'm going to be doing several kind of beans because I am running low. And they come out so, so good. I'm going to be growing a lot of beans this year in my garden so I can have some nice fresh beans to can. Nothing beats that. So let's go back to the refried beans because they are absolutely delicious. Okay, so here they are on the pan. Here is my empty jar. Okay, so we are just going to let these cook. I'm going to put this back up because I had to put it down on medium because I had to walk away for just a second. So let's put it a little bit lower than that. We don't want to burn them. We just want them to slowly cook in here. And this is just a small cast iron pan. It's a pint of beans with about a quarter cup of butter to start. We are going to be adding some more butter to this. So these, I like my beans firm. So this jar had firm beans. So what I like to do is do my beans differently. And for refried beans, I don't like them mushy. I like the firmer beans, so I grabbed a jar of those. I do have jars of beans where they have a lot of liquid in them. This jar did not. This jar also had some onion in it to give it a little bit of flavor and a little bit of garlic. So I am going to be adding some garlic to this. So all I'm doing, I'm using my handy little tool, which is one of the giveaways for the 15,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway that we're going to be doing very soon. I know there's some of you guys have been asking when I'm doing that. It kind of depends on how I've been feeling with my back, honestly, and we're going to do it in different lives. We're not doing it in just one because my back's been hurting me pretty bad. So I'm going to do it in kind of maybe 1 hour lives, and I'm not going to rush through it because I don't want to rush through this. It's a big giveaway for me, so we're just going to do it a little bit at a time, maybe 5 to 8 giveaways per live, because I want to give away a lot of stuff, you guys. So we're going to be doing that throughout January. And then my birthday is in February, and I want to give some stuff away for that as well. So we have a lot of stuff coming. Okay, so this is only the first cooking video of January, anyway. So I am making tacos tonight, carne asada tacos, and I decided I want some refried beans with this. My husband doesn't really like them, but this is more for me, and then I'll have this tomorrow as a leftover. So I'm going to finish doing this because I don't want to make a really long video of this. This is really easy. and I will be back. Okay, since these are almost done, I dropped about another about 2 tablespoons of butter in here, and I'm just going to let it simmer down. So I like pieces of beans in here, but I am going to make it a little bit smoother than it already is. So I'm just going to let this simmer down, and then I'll bring you back. Okay, so this is what the beans are going to look like. So I cannot wait to get started canning this year, especially for January. 30 years ago when I joined the Mormon church, we used to call it Jumpstart Canuary. So, and we used to all get together and do different canning projects. It was huge out where I lived. So I'm just going to call it Jumpstart January and Canuary. And I think that's kind of fitting because it's kind of both, you know. It's been a big thing for, the last 23 years I've been out here in Ventura County for Canuary. And we've called it Jumpstart January out here for a long time. So I'm just going to kind of combine the two and call it Jumpstart, maybe Jumpstart Canuary, I don't know. Jumpstart January sounds better, but we'll see. But I am going to be making blueberry jam. I'm going to be doing some stuff with tomatoes. I'm going to be making some sauce, definitely, because I definitely need to catch up on that. And some stalks. So we'll see how much my back holds up. I have a lot of things I want to do. My back just doesn't always hold up and allow me to do the things I want to do. So we shall see. But this is just about done, you guys. I've added some salt and a little bit of garlic to it. And there you have it. Refried beans at its finest. Nice and creamy and smooth and delicious. So much better than a can. So much easier to make. So much healthier because you know exactly what goes in it. There are no preservatives in this whatsoever. And it's just goodness, deliciousness. And if you grow them, they're perfectly fresh going into your jar. So how much fresher can you get? Grow your own beans and you'll know exactly what goes into your food. We're going to get a jump start on our garden too. Hopefully show you what seeds I'm going to be doing this year and get that going, because my garden last year, because of my back, just was kind of non-existent, almost non-existent. So let's get started, and here is to a wonderful Jumpstart January, Canuary 2024. Let's have a really good year, you guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Word of the day is going to be refried beans. Comment the word of the day down in the comment section, and you will be entered to win part of our giveaway. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.